Hello and welcome back to Partickhill station. I'm Charlie. So I'm back working on one of the two APTs, and some time ago I had a problem with this one where I couldn't get it running, and I had posted a video and I got some great feedback from some of you, and the suggestion was that I was missing the connection here. So, you know, I didn't have the little clips like that one there. I didn't have one of those, so I just kind of jerry-rigged something. I took a little piece of wire and soldered them on. So let's see how this will perform now that it's fixed, hopefully. Okay. Well, I guess you need to have good contact on here. That's the first thing. Well, it doesn't seem to be anything happening there, which is disappointing. So further investigation, I realised that this connection down here wasn't a good enough soldering, so I redid it, and let's see. There you go. Another problem fixed. Not a perfect solution, but it is a fix. Thanks again to everybody who participated in this exercise. We'll see you next time here at Partickhill Station. Bye for now.